Sup, ladies and gentlemen, Dominoes 7 here, back with another video. Okay, I want to tell y'all this episode of The Price is Right, Wheel of Fortune, and Jeopardy. Okay, so Ray won this fourth game. I know some of y'all Jeopardy fans enjoyed that. Okay, and then on The Price is Right, in the first half of The Price is Right, when Lawrence, I think that's his name, thought he won on stage, but Drew Carey's calling Wendy, Wendy, Wendy. He was like, "Is your name Wendy?" that was a that was an awesome that was an awesome episode, and, and and then he won his way on stage in the second half of The Price is Right, and they both was in the showcase together, Wendy and Lawrence. Okay, I could be wrong though, but I'll check that out when I can. Okay, and Ray he was behind a few times. He was in the lead a few times. The other games was a runaway. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and guess what though? He won again today. Okay, I almost thought Ray was gonna lose today, but I said she's Kim was in the lead for the moment. I say Ray gonna catch up, but guess what? Ray did catch up, Mm-hmm. Yep. 4 games in a row. He's on a roll. Today was heating up. Won his fourth game, he's on a roll. If he win tomorrow, he on the streak. Okay? Definitely on the streak. Will it be a Merry Christmas for him? We'll see. Will he become a giant like Chris Panul and the rest of them super champs? Let's see. If you win over 10 games and somebody defeat him, then there's another giant killer in season 39. Okay? All right, now Wheel of Fortune. Okay? I mean, Ricky was the only guy the only person, I should say. He was the only guy in contestants row on the show, I should say. The only man contestant, okay? The only guy contestant, I should say. And guess what? The other ladies didn't have a chance to solve the puzzle, okay? He got all 5 toss-ups. I would say all 3, but he have all 5 toss-ups, and solved every puzzle, including the bonus round, okay? I thought he was gonna make it to the bonus round with the $1 million and the wild card, okay? But he still managed to solve the puzzle in the bonus round, okay? Yeah, Ricky done this thing, okay? So I must say, just like I talked about Yvette, do y'all remember Yvette that was on The Price is Right in 2019? Yeah, she's very memorable, okay? Okay, so anyway, Wendy and Lawrence gonna be memorable too, okay? So what's gonna happen on The Price is Right tomorrow? Okay, will they have a contestant that's gonna be memorable, like in the old days before I was even born with the Yolanda hour? Yeah. So if y'all was born and if y'all was born in the '70s, like, well, I don't know who older than me watches YouTube, but if you're a Price is Right fan that long, how many of y'all remember Yolanda? This lady with the tube top. She came on down and they came on out. Okay, so anyway, I wasn't born when that happened. I don't know why I'm bringing that up though, but I wasn't born when that happened. Okay, all right. So Wheel of Fortune was awesome. Jeopardy was good. Okay, Will Ray wound up in a tournament of champions with Chris Panul. Okay, and Luigi. Okay, I can hardly wait. So Ray is in well position of the tournament of champions. Okay, all right. So that's all I got to say. All right. So Wheel of Fortune was good. Ricky's solved all the puzzles and stuff like that. That was amazing. Okay, that was truly amazing. You Wheel of Fortune fans, how many contestants that solved every puzzle without giving the other 2 contestants a chance? Okay, so y'all comment below. Okay, if you're a Jeopardy fan, Price is Right fan or Wheel of Fortune fan. Okay, let me know anything that's memorable from all three of those game shows. Okay, all right. Thank y'all for watching. All right, bye bye, y'all.